Now we're going to listen to even breathing. Begin by finding a comfortable seat. If you're sitting on a chair, place your feet flat on the floor and your hands on your thighs, palms down, not too far forward or back. If you're sitting on a cushion on the floor, place your hands on your knees. You want to find a place of comfort where you are well aligned, so move your shoulders until you find a position, either forward or back, that you're comfortable in. Move from one side to the other until you are comfortable. Find a comfort in the center of your body. Now bring your awareness to the touch of your body on your seat and really feel the weight of your body on your chair or cushion. And now imagine there's a string attached to the top of your head, pulling your spine straight. Because if your spine is straight, your breathing will be more relaxed and natural, allowing the energy to flow freely through your body. If you feel your back is uncomfortable at any point, roll your shoulders until you're in a comfortable position. You can close your eyes or let your gaze rest and look at the tip of your nose. And take a deep breath. And while you're breathing deeply, relax your face, your shoulders, relax your stomach muscles, relax the muscles in your arms and hands, and relax your legs. And let go of all the tension in your body. Now bring your attention back to your breath. Notice where you feel it most in your body. Maybe in your nose, or in your stomach, or in the rise and fall of your chest with every inhale and exhale. Just notice where you feel it most and allow your breathing to feel nice and relaxed. And to start the even breathing exercise, begin by making the length of your inhale and your exhale the same amount of time. When you inhale, inhale on a count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Now hold it for 1. And exhale for 1, 2, 3. Again, take a nice relaxed breath in. 1, 2, 3. Hold it for 1. And breathe out for 1, 2, 3. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3. Did you hold it? Let's breathe in and breathe out again. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3. Hold. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3. Hold for 1. And breathe out. 1, 2, 3. And allow your body to relax and soften into your seat. Now take your hands and place them on your heart. Can you feel your heartbeat? Is there a sense of warmth? Whatever you feel, think of a sense of friendliness and relax. There is no judgment. Feel your heart. Feel the sensations there, and think, this is my heart, and it is just right. With your hand on your heart, focus on a sense of friendliness with each breath in and each breath out. Allow this feeling of friendliness and acceptance to grow with each breath. Soften all the tension in your body as you inhale and exhale. And with each breath, imagine a sense of acceptance filling your body with every inhale, and then feel the sadness or negative feelings exhale out of your body. And feel the sense of acceptance fill the whole room that you're in, and fill the whole city that you live in, and fill the whole world. Friendliness and acceptance filling the whole world. And now resting your hands back on your thighs or your knees. Allow your mind and body to rest. Breathe in and breathe out naturally in whatever way feels comfortable for you. Bring your attention back to the touch of your body on your seat, and when you are ready, open your eyes. Close your eyes and rest your hands on your knees. Bring your awareness to the touch of your body on your seat. Feel the weight of your body on your chair or cushion. Take a few deep breaths. While you are breathing deeply, relax your shoulders, your stomach muscles, the muscles in your face, in your hands, and your legs. Let go of all the tension in your body. Now bring your attention back to your breath. Notice what it feels like as it enters through your nose, goes down your throat, filling your lungs, and back out through your nose. Notice your stomach and chest rise and fall with each inhale and exhale, and allow your breathing to be natural and relaxed. Imagine a sense of peaceful calmness washing through your body. Feel the peaceful calmness in your head. Feel that sense of peaceful calmness move down through your neck, through your shoulders, down through your upper body, your arms and hands, filled with peace and deep calm. Down through your stomach, through your lower body, through your legs, ankles, and feet, all the way to your tippy toes, filled with peace and calm. Let go of all the tension in your body. Your entire body is filled with peace and calm. Every body part and every space. Now, feel that sense of peaceful calmness expand to fill the entire room that you're in. Imagine it going even further to fill the city, or even filling the whole world with peace and calm. All sounds and distractions become sounds of peaceful calmness. Now focus your attention on the touch of your body on your seat. Whether you're on a chair or on the floor, or seated on the ground on the very earth, feel the grass and earth beneath you. Feel how solid it is and feel its strength. Feel its heaviness and how solid it is. Imagine the energy of the earth coming up through the ground, into your legs, into your body, into your shoulders, and up all the way to the tippy top of your head. Your entire body is filled with peace and calmness from the energy of the earth. You are grounded, confident, and peaceful. Imagine now that you're on top of a mountain, the highest mountain in the world. Feel the texture of the ground beneath you on that mountain. The strong stone, unshakable and solid. You're anchored on this body with your body and your mind. Breathe in deeply. Feel the clean, cool mountain air fill your lungs. Let the air fill in through your whole body, filling it with peace and calmness. From the top of the mountain, look at the sky. Imagine a bright, blue, cloudless sky and perfectly clear. All you can see in all directions is perfectly blue sky. It is clear and empty, and as you look into the sky, feel your mind expanding through the entire space. Feel all your thoughts and emotions expand into the vastness. It is clear, empty, and as vast as the sky. And just rest in the stillness. When you're ready, gently bring your attention back to the room you're sitting in and to the touch of your body on your seat. Counting breaths. Sometimes it can be hard to slow the mind down when you're trying to fall asleep or focus on a certain task. So for the next 2 minutes, we're going to focus on a technique that counts the breath. It's a simple and effective way to help slow the mind down. We have this constant anchor that's always happening, moving. It's the breath. Maybe you've tried other things, but use your breath as a point of focus. It's the chatter of your mind constantly jumping around. Well, this meditation is going to focus on your breath and counting your breath to turn off the chattering mind. When your mind is jumping around all over the place, constantly chattering, it becomes less strong. So we're going to breathe and count our breath. And I want to invite you to just find a place to slow down for a few minutes. Have a seat someplace. Or lie down if that's more comfortable. You can close your eyes, or if you're not comfortable with that, or you can't do that right now, just find a point in front of you and focus on that. When you focus on your breath, bring your full attention to it and follow the instructions. Alright, so starting out, let's bring some attention to just how our body is. If you're sitting down, just bring attention to the seat and your feet. Are your feet on the floor? Where are your hands? Are you hot or cold? Are you hungry or full? Whatever feels front and center in this moment, just notice what's happening in this moment. Make sure your jaw is loose and make sure your belly is relaxed. Now let's take a deep breath and let our entire body relax. We're not judging ourselves. We're just paying attention to what's there. What is authentic for you in this moment? What is true for you in this moment? Now just bring some attention to the breath. The breath is always happening and always moving. So let's use it as an anchor point. Just keep us in the present. Keep us in the moment. I'm also going to start counting. So every full breath of an inhale and an exhale, we're going to count 1 and then do another full breath and count 2. Ready? Keep following each breath, following silently until you get to 10. If you do get to 10, you can start at 1 again. If not, you can think about something else and start over. And while you're counting, try to feel each breath and where you feel it. In your nose, or in your mouth, or in your belly. If your mind drifts off, and you're thinking about later today or the play you did yesterday, if you notice it, just delicately and gently focus back to your breath. Breathe in and breathe out. Set the breath to breathe naturally. Don't try to control it, just let your breath flow naturally. Don't try to control it. Let your breath flow naturally. If you notice the mind drifting off, that's normal. Just bring it back when you catch yourself, kindly and with no judgment. There's no need to be hard on yourself. It's completely normal. Just focus in more and more. Focus on the counting. Keep counting and just keep watching your breath. So finish up on whatever number of breath you're on, and bring your attention back to your body, where we started. Check out your body and feel it with your mind's eye. How do you feel? Where does your breath feel? Take a second and notice, does anything feel different compared to where we started? And when you hear the sound of the bell, bring your full attention back and allow yourself to open your eyes. Body scan. The purpose of the body scan is to simply check in and see what's going on in your body with open curiosity. There's no need to judge or try to change anything. We're just bringing attention to each part of our body, noticing how each part is connected to the next. Start by bringing your attention to the general position of your body. Are you sitting up straight with your feet flat on the ground and your hands on your knees? Or maybe you're lying on your back with your arms resting by your side. Notice the relationship of your body to the space around you. Notice where you are and the time of day. Notice if you have any tension in your body, any stiffness or anxiety or fear. Notice what you're thinking and what you're feeling. Are you restless, grounded, agitated, or calm? Just notice what's going on without judging or trying to change anything. Now bring your attention to your breathing. Become aware of where you feel your breath most. It might be in your nose, or your chest or stomach. And just breathe in deeply, and let the air fill your body. And breathe out, and notice the breath as it goes out. Simply be aware of the sensation of your body, allowing yourself space to just be. And now, with your mind's eye, slowly and gently scan your body from your head to your toes. Try to see each part clearly, but without straining. Do not judge your body, just see it as it is. And in a relaxed manner, bring your attention to your head. See your skull and your brain. And then bring your attention to your forehead and eyebrows. To your eyes with their pupils. Your nose and nostrils. Your cheeks. And your ears. Your tongue. Your teeth and jaw. And your whole mouth. See your facial muscles. See your face. The nerves under your skin. And your skin and the hair on the top of your head. See your whole head and whatever experiences you have, just allow it and let it be. Now, with your imagination, focus on your neck. See your throat, your larynx and vocal cords that move when you speak, your esophagus, which food goes down into your stomach. See your breath passing through your neck. And see the skin on your body covering your entire neck. Now scan your upper body. Move your attention down into your neck and shoulders, just noticing how your neck and shoulders feel with a sense of curiosity. See your spine and spinal cord running along your back. Your collarbone underneath your shoulders. Your rib cage, which holds your heart, and down into your stomach. And in your chest, you'll also feel and see your heart and your lungs beating and breathing. See your heart pumping blood through your body. Notice your heartbeat and feel the sensation of breathing. Bring your awareness to this part of your body. Your muscles and your bones. Now move your attention into your arms. See the bones of the upper arms as you wave them around. Your forearms, your elbows, down through your forearms and into your wrists and hands, your fingers and thumbs, as well as the bones within them. And see your muscles. And just notice the sensation you feel. It's as if you were traveling through your body with your mind, just seeing what's there. Now move your attention into your stomach and your lower back. Scan the internal organs of the area. If you can't visualize all the details, focus on the key parts, such as your stomach, the part of your body that has your kidneys, the stomach that eats the food. Just spend a few moments paying attention to the area, feeling what's there, and just letting it be. We don't need to do anything. We are just noticing the sensations in our body and letting them be. Move your attention down to your hips and legs. Feel your thigh bones. Feel your lower leg bones. And the bones in your feet and toes. See the muscles. And imagine, using only your mind's eye, feel the skin along your legs and feet. Now, take a step back and look at your body as a whole. Focus on the muscles and the bones of your skeleton. All the body's structures is wrapped within your skin. The heart is pumping blood. Blood that circulates through your entire body, with oxygen and nutrients and healthy things that your body needs. All of your body parts are vibrantly functioning, circulating energy carried by your breath. And as you breathe, feel your life's breath flowing through your body. Become aware of your whole body at this moment. You don't need to think about what's right or wrong. Just relax in a sense of physical wholeness. Feel how your whole body is connected. Think and feel like you have seen all the details of your body, just as they are. And finally, just enjoy the memories of the vivid details of your entire body just as it is. Feel ease and comfort in the full awareness of your body. And now let your attention rest on your breath. Breathing in and breathing out. Feeling your body expand and contract with each inhale and exhale. And when you're ready, bring your attention to the front of your body on your seat and open your eyes. Energizing breath. Begin by finding a comfortable seat. If you're sitting on a chair, place your feet flat on the floor and your hands on your thighs. If you're sitting on a cushion on the floor, place your hands on your knees. Keep your spine and back straight. Slowly begin by rolling your shoulders forward and then backward. Roll your head to one side and then the other side. Finding a comfortable balance as you bring your head back to the center. Now bring your awareness to the touch of your body on your seat and feel the sensation of the weight of your body on your chair or cushion. And feeling firmly rooted on your seat, imagine that a string is attached to the top of your head, pulling your back straight and allowing you to be natural and relaxed, and the energy will flow through your body. Close your eyes and begin taking 4 short breaths into your lungs, and then release the breath in 1 long exhale. Let it go out calmly. You don't need to force it. Allow the transition between breaths to be smooth and gentle. And make sure to hold your breath in between the short inhale and the short exhale. Use your complete lungs, inhaling your lungs so much that they fill up. And make sure you're not straining yourself. If you start to feel dizzy or strange, try to be gentler with your breathing and with the technique. Continue breathing in this way for 3 cycles of breath. And as you get more familiar with this style of breathing, you can slowly increase one after the other. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And when you're done with the cycles of breathing, take a deep inhale and hold your breath. And then exhale and relax and open your eyes. Progressive muscle relaxation. In this exercise, we're going to tense and relax 8 different muscle groups, following the same order 3 times. This process will help us relax our muscles and should be done with a sense of ease. If you have any injuries or feel hurt, do not exercise those muscles. Do this exercise lying down, flat on your back, with your head supported by a pillow. Close your eyes. And starting with your right side, raise your right hand and arm, and clench your fist and flex your arm. Hold for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, and release, letting your arm and hand drop to your side. Let your hands and fingers feel completely relaxed. Now raise your left hand and arm. Make a fist. Hold for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, and release. Let your arm and hand drop to your side, and allow your hand and fingers to completely relax. Slightly lift your right leg. Flex your muscles in your thigh and calf with your entire leg. Hold for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, and release, letting the leg fall gently down to the floor. Slightly lift your left leg. Flex your muscles in your thigh and calf. Hold for a few seconds. 1, 2, 3, and release, letting your left leg fall gently back to the floor. Now to your torso. Contract your muscles in your stomach and chest. Hold for a few seconds. 1, 2, 3, and release. And now your back muscles. Press your shoulders back slightly into the floor. Hold it for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, and release. Now move to your neck. Press your head gently against your pillow. Hold for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, and release. And finally, scrunch up all the muscles in your face. Hold it for a few seconds. 1, 2, 3, and release, letting go of all the tension. Let's start that sequence again. This time, take an intentional breath in when you flex your muscles, and slowly breathe in as you make a fist and raise your right arm, flexing it tight. Hold for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, and release, breathing out as your arm and hand fall gently to the floor. Slowly breathe in as you bring your left fist up. Hold for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, and then breathe out all the way as it gently relaxes on the floor. Breathing in as you raise your right leg, flexing the muscles in your thigh and calf. Hold for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, and breathe out. Breathing in as you lift your left leg. Strengthen and tighten all the muscles in your thigh and calf. Hold for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, and breathe out and release as your leg relaxes back on the ground. Tighten the muscles in your stomach and chest. Breathe in, hold for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, and release, breathing out and relaxing your stomach and chest. Breathing in as you press your shoulders back slightly into the floor. 1, 2, 3. And breathing out and release. Breathing in, push your head gently against your pillow. Hold. 1, 2, 3. And release and breathe out. And finally, scrunch up all the muscles in your face, tightening your face while breathing in, and hold for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Then let out a big sigh as you breathe out and release the muscles in your face, relaxing them on the floor. Very well. Let's try this one more time. Continue taking slow breaths. And this time, intentionally soften and relax your muscles with each breathe out, giving yourself time to breathe naturally between each muscle group. So, breathing in, clench your right fist and flex your arm as it lifts up above the floor. Hold and breathe. 1, 2, 3. And release with a long exhale. Imagining your right arm, your hand and fingers, soft and heavy as they relax on the floor. You may begin melting into the floor. Breathing in, clench your left fist as you raise up your left arm. Hold. 1, 2, 3. And release with a long exhale. Imagining that your left arm, hand, and fingers are feeling soft and heavy, melting into the floor. Breathing in, lift your right leg, flexing your muscles in your thigh and calf. Hold. 1, 2, 3. And release with a long exhale. Imagining your right leg, thigh, and calf are feeling soft and heavy, melting into the floor. Breathing in, lift your left leg. Flex the muscles in your thigh and calf. Hold. 1, 2, 3. And release with a long exhale. Imagining your left leg, thigh, calf, foot, and toes feeling soft and heavy, feeling like they are melting into the floor. And again, breathing in. Contract the muscles in your stomach and chest. 1, 2, 3. And release with a long exhale. Imagine that your stomach and your chest are feeling soft and heavy, melting into the floor. And breathing in, push your shoulders back, hold. 1, 2, 3. And release as you exhale with a long sigh. Imagining your shoulders are soft and heavy as they melt into the floor. And as you breathe in, Press your head gently against your pillow. 1, 2, 3, and release with a long exhale. Imagine your head is so soft and heavy, melting into the pillow. And finally, scrunch up the muscles in your face as you breathe in. 1, 2, 3, and release with a long exhale, relaxing all the muscles in your face. Imagining that your face is feeling soft and relaxed. Now bring your attention to your whole body. Gently let your awareness focus on your breath, breathing in and out. Imagine that your whole body feels soft and heavy, melting into the floor. More and more, melting into the floor. Focus on your breath. Drop the storyline. Close your eyes and rest your hands on your thighs or knees. And take a moment to feel the weight of your body on your chair or cushion. And sitting up straight, find a comfortable balance that allows you to feel at ease. In feeling your head on the top of your neck, explore how you can sit so your head, neck, and back feel most comfortable. And take a few deep breaths. And while you're breathing, relax your shoulders. Relax your stomach muscles. Relax the muscles in your face and hands and legs. And just let go of all the tension in your body. Now bringing your attention back to your breath. Notice where you feel it the most. It might be in your nose or your stomach. Maybe in the rise or fall of your chest. Just notice where you feel it most and allow your breathing to feel natural and relaxed. Being present with the breath as it goes in, noticing the breath as it goes out, choosing to be right here in this moment with whatever is going on. Now bring to mind a situation in your life that is challenging. It can be any situation that once you start thinking about it, is hard to get out of your mind, and it just keeps at you. I recommend something soft and not intense. And as you think about this situation, notice any emotions that may come up. Allow yourself to be kind and attentive to whatever you are experiencing in this moment. Whatever you are feeling, try to name it. Maybe you will say something to yourself like, "This is frustration," or "This is impatience." And see if you can describe it. Does it have a color? Or a shape? Or a size? Is it big, medium, or small? Where do you feel it in your body? Does it have a temperature? Notice what happens when you shift your attentions to the sensations. Notice all of the thoughts and feelings that come up, and any change in the sensations in your body. Whatever you're experiencing, can you allow it to be there without trying to fix or change it? If at any point it becomes too intense, just ease off the meditation and shift your attention to something that feels neutral, like following the inhale and the exhale of your breath, and let your breathing be natural and relaxed. If your mind begins to wander and you start to think about why you're feeling this unpleasant emotion, just remember not to get caught up in the storyline and try to take a step back. Even if it's only for 2 seconds, try to drop the storyline of what you're feeling. Try not to fill it with thoughts and opinions. Just soften and relax the body as you continue to breathe. Exploring again and again where you feel the emotion in your body. Does it feel the same as before, or has anything changed? Try to stay with that experience just as it is, without following the impulse to change or fix anything. Notice any impulse to pick up the storyline again and see if you can simply let it be. Softening and relaxing the body as you continue to breathe. Experience the energy of the emotion and simply let it pass, seeing if it dissipates on its own. And when you're ready, gently bring your attention back to the touch of your body on your seat and open your eyes. Lion Mind. Okay, I'm gonna break down this concept for you, nice and easy. There's a dog sitting in front of me, and in my hand is a bone. I'm waving the bone in front of the dog. Of course, what is the dog doing? He's completely following me. It's like he can't see anything else. Now take the bone, throw it in the corner. Of course, the dog's gonna go after the bone. It was almost as if he didn't have a choice to do it. Now imagine for some crazy reason there's a big lion in front of me, just sitting there watching me, and I'm waving the bone, the same bone. But what do you think he's doing? Of course he sees the bone, but he's also got his eyes on me, because I'm a big bag of bones, you see? So I throw the bone in the corner. What do you think the lion's gonna do? Chances are he's not gonna run after the bone. He's gonna take a look at it, look in the corner, and then set his sights back on me. So we use this metaphor to represent 2 different states of mind. First, the dog mind. It runs after every little bone that it gets in its face. Bones can be a lot of different things. Here, the bones represent distractions. They keep us unfocused for what we need to be focused on. But the lion sees the distraction, the bone, but has a choice. He doesn't follow it. He keeps his eye on the bigger picture. So let's do this meditation right now that focuses on eliminating distractions. Begin by finding a comfortable place to sit down on a chair or on the floor, hands down and eyes closed. You hear the sound of a bell. Bring your attention clear and wait for more instructions. Alright, just bring some attention to the body. How did the body land? Whether it's sitting, standing, or laying down. Maybe check out where the body's touching. the floor. Like, is your back against the floor or the wall? Are your feet up or crossed? Just notice. Notice those points of contact. And the hands in the lap, on your knees, or on the sides. What else are you noticing about the body? Excitement? Just keep scanning the body. Focus on the support of the back. Your body touching the floor or the wall. Anything else? Are your feet on the floor? Are you hot or cold? A lot of times, we skate through life without ever checking in with our physical body. So right now, let's take the opportunity to just slow down a bit and be curious and check out what this body of yours is feeling. Now, even though we may be sitting pretty still, we may be feeling relaxed and chill, is there any movement happening? It's the breath. Can you feel it? The breath is moving every second. It's expanding and contracting. It may even make some sound. Just breathing in and out. You don't have to think about it or control it. It just does what it does. This is the miracle of the breath. So I want to invite you to start bringing some attention to your breath. What does it feel like just to follow it? And we're going to use that breath like an anchor. Keep our breath and us anchored in the moment. As you move across the sea of thought like a ship, your mind thinks all kinds of things about tomorrow and yesterday, your likes and dislikes, your fears and memories. Maybe you're thinking this meditation is boring, but it's all trying to pull us away from the moment. Let your breath be the anchor and keep you in the moment. If you catch yourself drifting off based on emotion, just go back to your breath and focus in and out. Every time we go back to the breath, we're focusing on the lion mind, not the dog mind. We're not going after the bone. We're staying focused on what's important. Of course, it's perfectly normal to drift off. No need to think you did something wrong, because you didn't. You may drift off a bunch of times and get distracted. All you need to notice is when it happens, and then to kindly come back to the moment and come back to your breath. Let it slow down a bit. Remember, we're not following the bone or the distractions, all those thoughts and memories, sounds and fears. Just notice all the things happening around you, scanning and staying with the breath. We're building our lion mind. In a second, you'll hear the bell again, and bring your full attention to it, and follow the sound, and follow your breath.